Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I did this cute, super easy, super fast U-part quick weave on myself. I already parted my hair off camera and I did my dookie braids in the back. Y'all know how I do. Period. I do it like this because it's a lot flatter in my opinion. Next we're going to take that black wig cap, put it on your head and cut those air holes out. You need is a small hole that can stretch over your ear. You don't want the hole to be too big. So after you cut air holes on both sides, then you're going to grab your glue and just trace around the part where you parted your hair at. And don't forget to glue around the back also. After that, then you want to blow dry for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Once that glue is completely dry, then cut off the excess wig cap. And y'all, I don't know why I waited to braid this piece of hair like this. I should have started off with that in the beginning and just left it flat. And I got hungry, so please don't mind me eating my Chipotle. Anyways, I realized I forgot to cut the excess wig cap in the back. This is how it looks. If it seems bulky at the bottom, don't worry about that. It'll flatten out in a couple of days. Today I'm going to be using bundles from my brand, Briasia Slaja. Now I have used these bundles for about maybe 3-4 installs already, and they're still like so good quality, guys. Make sure you shop with me. Now as soon as I put one couple tracks in, I'm feeling myself already like sick. I'm just sick. Anyways, make sure you're gluing those tracks in a U-shaped direction. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, please go see my previous quick weave install videos to see me get more in depth. Now I'm gluing on the last track, and then next is styling. This is the fun part. Now, being that I have a lot of hair left out at the top, I can do a side part, middle part. This is a very versatile hairstyle. I could do half up, half down, or I could do 2 pigtails if I wanted to, which is my favorite. Now, what you guys just saw me spray in my hair is a Miracle Mist from I'm the Miracle Touch on Instagram. Love her so much. This is just, I use it as a heat protectant and a like shiny serum mist type of thing. Gets it really flat and helps with heat protection. So go cop that. It's affordable and it smells mad good. And boom, look at the results. Y'all see it? Look at them bundles. Like, ugh. For me to have used this hair so many times and it still looked this good, y'all gotta go cop this hair. Like, Now, if you're someone who likes the natural type of look, I would suggest this hairstyle. This U-part quick weave is similar to the look of tape-ins or microlinks, but just a lot cheaper, and you can do it yourself. So it's a win. A win is a win. Now, if you want to be able to put your hair up in a ponytail, like a high ponytail, make sure you leave some hair around the back out, like the perimeter of the back. I love how this turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching me and watching all my videos, and continue to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, you'll love it here. I love you guys. Bye.